Well, hello fellow YouTubers, here I am back in the workshop, about to get started on a Taylors Mirfield pen. So this particular pen is the HERA pen, that's Hotel Echo Romeo Alpha, and it's very similar in its assembly as far as I can feel to a Zeta, but this HERA pen, it has these really cool little, I don't know if the camera's picking that up, like ridges all along the nib assembly, where's that, and the end cap. So really cool, love the feel of it, it's quite tactile, love it. And yeah, I'm going to get to turning that this morning. The light's still pretty bad in here for videoing, still waiting to get some better lighting installed on the ceiling. But anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this and then I will show you later. But there's all the parts, the whole pack of bright work, the refill spring, the bushings, and I've got the relevant drill bit, and I think it's the same as a Sierra pen. So happy days. So I shall turn that and show you the finished product later. Bye.